Throughout history, the diet known as a simple vegan lifestyle emerged from early human dietary practices and gradually expanded into a distinct food philosophy in modern times. Historically rooted in the natural tendency of many ancient cultures to consume diets largely consisting of plant-based foods due to availability and practicality, the concept began to take shape with specific nutritional principles and health benefits being identified during the 19th century. This dietary movement gained traction in the early 20th century as advancements in nutrition science highlighted the numerous health advantages associated with a well-planned plant-based diet. Key developments include pioneering figures like Dr. Donald Watson, who founded the Vegan Society in England in 1944, and campaigns led by organizations that championed veganism for ethical reasons related to animal welfare. The impact of this movement has been significant, influencing societal attitudes towards food production methods, environmental conservation efforts, and public health outcomes. For instance, studies indicate a correlation between vegan diets and reduced risks of chronic diseases, such as heart disease and certain cancers, while also promoting sustainability goals by minimizing the environmental footprint associated with animal agriculture. Despite these benefits, challenges persist in terms of accessibility and cultural acceptance, particularly in regions where meat-based dishes are deeply ingrained into social customs and cuisines. Looking ahead to 2050, the future projection for veganism could see continued growth influenced by ongoing advancements in plant-based food technology, coupled with increasing awareness about environmental sustainability issues. As such, it is anticipated that more individuals will adopt a simple vegan lifestyle driven by health considerations, ethical motivations, and growing recognition of its potential to mitigate climate change impacts on our planet.